everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lanese, and I blend spirituality with motivation so that you can get the best benefit out of it. Today's video is on positive affirmations to calm anxiety. Set the intention that by the end of this video, you will feel calm, at ease, and if you still have that jittery feeling, you will understand that the jitters are just excitement, that anxiety is just excitement, and you will go throughout your day with a calm energy, and if you feel jittery at all, you're going to feel excited rather than anxious. Let's get started. I am attracting positive energy into my body. I am attracting relaxing energy into my body. I am calmer with each breath that I take. My body is my ally. I am safe and in control. My heart and my breath relax with each moment that passes. I take things 1 second, 1 minute, and 1 day at a time. Anytime that I feel anxious, I focus on my surroundings and ground myself. I inhale peace and exhale worry. My body is relaxed and my mind is calm. I have everything that I need within me. I bask in relaxing energy. I feel my mindset shifting. I am thankful the panic has passed. I let go of negative and rapid thoughts. I am not in danger. I am totally safe. I am in control of my thoughts. I am stronger than my struggles. I am safe and loved. I am experiencing a calm transformation. That is all that I have for you guys today. If this video was helpful, give it a like so more people can find it. If you like content like this, consider subscribing or check out my positive affirmation playlist. Thank you for listening to this all the way until the end, and I will see you in the next video.